Okay guys, today I've got a Maytag French door with bottom freezer refrigerator. It's a 2017 model, so it's just a couple years old. I've got it hooked up, just dropped a couple loads of ice. I'm going to show you that the water and ice maker and light and all that work perfectly. I'm also going to show you with my temperature gun that it is pulling in the correct temperatures. Had it plugged up for a while now, and of course I go through and inspect everything to make sure it's in perfect working order. Then it gets cleaned inside and out, so it's very clean. This one's in excellent shape, essentially like new condition still. And I'm gonna go ahead and show that to you real quick. Now before I go fanning the doors open and showing you that, we'll go ahead and do the temperature. So let me grab my temperature gun and we'll show you that. Okay, so real quick how this works, essentially whatever I shoot it on, those two red dots are showing you where it's pulling in the temperature. So the floor is coming in at 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Surface of this fridge is 78 degrees. So we'll pop this open, shoot it right up top there. It's showing at about 28, 32. It's a little different everywhere you go here, but fairly accurate. You get the idea. I think I set it at, let's see. Let's just double check real quick. I think I set it at 34 and -4. Yeah, that's right. Okay, we'll confirm that. So as we roll through here, so it varies a little bit, but you can see it's pretty close. Or my gun varies, I should say. So you can see that it is cooling like it's supposed to. And the more I fan those doors, the more inaccurate it's going to be. We'll go ahead and pull open this freezer here and shoot that for you. You see that's about -2 pretty much. -3 there. Let's just shoot it right there. And it's just important that I show you everything works good. See on top it's a little bit colder, but that's right about where it should be. Let's go ahead and take that picture there for the ad. That way you know that it is cooling like it's supposed to. Then I'm going to show you that this works here. A lot of different features on here, which is pretty cool. So we can hit this, light works. You can go dim or you can go off. Temperature, if you hold it for 3 seconds, that's what I did a second ago. Then you can set fridge temp, freezer temp. And then to adjust those is here if we wanted to go up, down. Same thing here, we could take that back up. I kind of set them low just for testing purposes, make sure it gets where it's supposed to be. So confirm that. Then here we have water, crushed ice, cubed ice. And I had it set to fast ice so it wouldn't take very long to get that ice kicked out. Now I will say this can be affected by the water filter. This fridge does need a new water filter. It's 12 bucks on Amazon. I'm not going to wait 2-3 days for that to come in. I'm going to go ahead and get this sold. But I will provide you with a link, and it just screws in. I'll show you that here in just a sec. But for now, I'll show you that the water works. Okay, there's your water. Drop down ice. Good to go there, and then won't make a mess. Crushed ice. There you go. Back to water. And there you go. So, like I said, it's real important that to me that whoever buys this knows everything works good on it. So I like to go through and show that everything works good. That's how I like to spend my money. So that's how I like to sell my stuff. You know, when you get it home, plug it in, you're going to be in good shape. And so now we'll go ahead and open this up. You can get a good look at it. Of course, all the pictures and everything are in the ad. It's got the on the door ice maker. So that's where it drops the ice down right there. Close that up. You got a couple shelves here There's no cracks or anything in any of these shelves. They're in excellent, like new condition. Everything's been very thoroughly cleaned. You got a little adjuster here for the inside temperature of this drawer. For whatever reason you'd want to do that. Right here, 25 cubic feet. And these are the measurements. I'll put that in the ad also. So if you're wondering the dimensions, this is where it was purchased from, brand new in 2017. Brand new air filter back here. The water filter goes here, but like I said, I didn't have one of these on hand, so I didn't put one in. But it just unscrews. The new one pops and screws right in. 12 bucks on Amazon. And what happens is, if you never change this, then your water flow can start to be restricted, but especially the ice will take a long time to drop down and make, or you'll get small ice cubes because this will affect the water flow to the ice maker, at least on this particular model. But it's always a good idea to change these per the recommendations, and all that's listed right here, the filter number and everything, and Amazon's where I recommend getting one. So that's it for up here, and there's the tag if you want to know any of that information. Try not to make these too long, but there's kind of a lot to show here. And then on the freezer, it's got the indoor pizza storage, which I guess is what pack your pizzas in there. This slides, and this one slides. Plenty of space in there. Tons of space, tons of room. So there you have it. That's it. It's in excellent shape, looks good. It's been cleaned, like I said, top to bottom. So if you have any questions, please reach out through the ad. Private message is the best way to contact us, and do appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. Have a great day. Thank you.